Hello, I'm Rainer Gröninger, Application Engineer at Kuebler, and today I will show you how to operate and set up preselection counter 901. The product will be delivered in this packaging. We are starting by programming the preselection counter. There is count mode, add and subtraction. You can choose between automatic repetition off or on. Relay output normally open and normally closed. Delay time can also be set by decade button. Decimal point settable up to 5 numbers. Finally, you can save your setting by pressing the 3 buttons on the left again. Now I will show you how to operate the preset counter. You can see the preset value in the lower row of digits. The setting is made via the 6 preselection keys, which are assigned to each decade. The set preset or changed preset value is accepted with the next setting or resetting of the counter. As you can see, our preselection counter is easy to program, has a simple preselection input as it has a button for each decade, and you don't need any additional power supply. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Your Rainer Gröninger.